So students, in this video we are going to see how numbers in array can be arranged in ascending order, means smallest first and greatest next. So just practical explanation here I am going to show you in this video, and in next video we will see the program for it. Okay, so let me take any 5 numbers and start explaining you that how the number can be arranged in ascending order. So array keeps the numbers in index, so that because of I have drawn here the box and equally making the partition of 5 parts. Fine, as I am going to do with 5 numbers. So first block will be index with 0, then 1, then 2, 3 and 4, which concept already we know far before, that index always starts with 0 and continue up to n minus 1. Now let me keep the numbers inside. Suppose the first number I am keeping here 6, next I am keeping 4, then I am keeping you say 8, then I am keeping 1 and I am keeping here 5. Fine. So 5 numbers I kept. So now our motto is to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Fine. So this is the question. Okay. So this is the question. This is the question. So I am writing here the question. Means the number is given like this. Now we have to see how it is working. So let's take again the blocks. And I am dividing it into 5 parts. Fine. So the first number is what? 6. First number is what? 6. Second is 4. Third is 8. Fourth is 1 and 5. This is how the numbers was there. Let's start how it is arranging the numbers in ascending order. So students, whatever the first number you kept in first block, that you first compare with the next, whether it is larger to this or not. Why larger I am saying here? Because as we are going to do ascending order, you see we are trying for ascending order. So ascending order means what? Smallest first. So smallest first, when we are trying to bring the smallest first, we have to use greater than symbol. So what you need to ask here, now is the number 6, is the number 6 is greater than 2, is the number 6 is greater than to 4. I am drawing it again and showing you, all of you please see, is the number 6 is greater than to 4? Yes. So what will happen? If it is yes, then what will happen? Now 4 will come to the 6th place and 6 will move to the 4th place. That is swap. Already I taught you before. So 4 will be removed and in place of 4, who will come? 6 will come, and in place of 6, who will come? Now 4 will come. Okay, so let's try. So here what will be? Now 4 will be kept, here 6 will be kept. This is what known as swap, students. Already we learn about it. Fine. Thereafter what will happen? The first number will get compared with the next number. What we need to ask regarding greater than? Is the first number is greater than to next number? Means with 8? No. No means nothing to do. Again it will proceed. Is the first number is greater to the next number? No. Sorry. Yes. Now it is yes. First number is greater than, means the 4 is greater than to 1. So in this place what will happen? What we need to do? We have to do swap again. Swap means 4 will come in one place and 1 will go to the 4th place. So let's do that. So here what will appear? 4, and here what will appear? Sorry, here 1 will appear and here 4 will appear. So let's go for the comparison again. Is the first number is greater to this number? No. So the job is over. We reached till last. The job is over. So let draw the program again. So whatever we did, that is actually we need to write here that we did the step number 1. Okay. So this is just 1, let's write. Means in first step this all happened and you got the result as what? 1. Fine. So now next let's draw the block again. Now you say What are the numbers you got? What are the numbers you got? You say, just let me divide first, then you say first 1 you got, then you got 6, then you got 8, then 4, then 5. So as 1 is already declared as result, so we need not to compare 1 with any other number, we have to compare the next onwards. Now let compare 6 with 8. Is it greater to 8? 6 is greater to 8? No. So let continue then. 6 is greater to 4? Yes, 6 is greater to 4. So in this case, what we need to do? Now we have to swap the values. So let's go for the swap. Let's go for the swap. So 6 place 4 will appear and 4th place 6 will go. Okay. Now again 4 we need to compare with the next number, that is 5. Is it greater? No. So job is over. So 4 we got as the result. 4 we got as the result. At first 1 we got, then 4 we got here. So let's go for the next. So this is step number what? 2. Job is not done till yet, students. So we have to draw again the block. Fine. And we have to make 5 partitions. So what we got the numbers? What are the numbers we got? We got 1, 4. Thereafter what we had? 8, 6 and 5. So till yet 1 we got as result and 4 we got as result. So now it will compare 8 with 6. This is 6 I wrote. It's not coming properly. So 8 and 6. So each 8 is greater than to 6. Yes, 8 is greater than to 6. So what we need to do? We have to go for the swap. Swap means 6 place the 8 will appear and 8 place 6 will appear. Swap the technique already I taught you before. So you can do here, we can keep here 6 and here you have to keep 8. Now the 6 will compare with 5, students. Is it greater? Again yes. So what will happen? Again the swap will be done. Swap will be done means in 6 place who will appear? 5 will appear. And in 5 place who will appear? 6 will appear. Okay, the job is done. This is the third number step we did. Now let's go for the next one. Again we have to draw. Again we have to draw the box. I will say you how many times we need to draw, that I will say you. When it will get done, that also I will say you. So now the number what you got? What you got? You got 1, 4, 5, 8 and 6. Till yet 1 you got as a result, 4 you got, 5 you got. Now 8 and 6 are left. So you compare 8 with 6. Is 8 is greater than to 6? Yes, 8 is greater than to 6. So it means swap will be done. So swap you do the swap. How the swap will be done? Now 6 will be placed in place of 8 and 8 will go to the place of what? 6. So the job is over. So next, this is the step number what, students? 4. Fine. Next the final value what we got? What we got the final value? 1, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Obviously we have to keep it within the block. We have to keep it within the block. So all these we got as result. So now we need not to move ahead. So how we came to know, or how many times we have to do this task, that we need to know now. You see, students, we started with how many numbers? We started with how many numbers? You check, we started with how many numbers? 5 numbers. We started with how many numbers? 5 numbers. So in how many steps we completed this? In 4 steps we completed this. It means if the total number is 5, so minus 1, that is 4. So in 4 steps you have to complete the job, you remember. Fine. That's why in 4 steps we completed the job, and this is what? Result. This is the last one is result and the first one is question. Okay. Hope all of you understood the concept of ascending order can be how arranged in array.